What is the best way to keep your Shark Rocket Ultralight Upright working great for years to come? Our Shark Rocket Ultralight Upright Vacuum requires little maintenance to keep it working great. You should empty the dust cup each time you vacuum or when it reaches the max fill line. This is indicated on the front of the dust cup. You will also need to wash the pre-motor filters occasionally. We recommend every month. To wash, simply remove the filter lid, remove the foam and felt filters underneath, wash both with tap water until the water runs clean, then air dry completely and replace back into your vacuum. You can also tap loose dirt off filters between washes as needed. It is important to note that your foam filters may appear dirty after first use. This is normal. These filters will discolor over time. This is also normal. Extra filters are available on sharkrocket.com if you want to purchase a spare set to keep on hand. But the good news is that these filters will last the lifetime of your vacuum.